All right, so we have 9 groups that are performing tonight, but only 3 spots that we can fit on the gym floor really effectively here. So we have 2 transitions here, so I guess I get to fill some time here while the kids transition from place to place. So, again, everybody okay? I think everybody's okay. All right, watch your step on the top there. So, with all of the groups here, we get a good chance to see what does 6th grade look like. Then what does it take when you get all the way up to high school? What are we able to accomplish here? For the 6th graders especially, that's kind of hard to see when you're first starting out. Like what does it sound like?